Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos, helping you learn English fast. This month has been completely manic for me this end. I've been working flat out. I've basically been working 7 days a week for the whole month. And last Sunday I finally had a day off, or so I thought. I'd planned to basically just have a lazy day, doing very little, spent lazing around at home. So you can imagine my surprise when I woke up on Sunday morning and my wife told me that she had promised that I'd be driving our children and a couple of friends of theirs to the seaside, and apologised for forgetting to tell me. So I ended up taking 4 children 2 hours each way to the coast. It was quite a pleasant day, but it wasn't how I'd been planning to spend my Sunday. Basically, I got roped into taking them. If you get roped into doing something, you get persuaded to do something that basically you didn't really want to do, that you hadn't been planning to do. So maybe you get roped into helping a friend get ready for a party. Or if you've got a very sporty friend, you might get roped into training for a marathon with them. Maybe during the lockdown, you get roped into running your company's social media platforms. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. And in the comment section below, let us know about things that you got roped into doing.